Good morning everyone, I am back in the Apuseni Mountains and this time I am visiting the, let me say it right, the Bright Whales Waterfall. Yeah, I don't know. So that's where we are going, and from there we are also gonna go to the summit of Lespezi peak. Okay, I think I'm almost there. I've seen a sign that the waterfall is around 20 meters away and I can see more and more people, so I'm pretty sure I'm close. Okay, so I have made it. Here it is. Obviously it's full packed with people, but what can you expect? It is a great place, so no doubt there are so many people here. Let's check it out closely. Okay, time to go. It is amazing, definitely recommended. But now I'm gonna go up to the Lespezi peak, and from there hopefully I'll be able to fly my drone and get close to the waterfall and take some nice pictures of it. So let's give it a try and let's bounce. That's exactly where I'm going, up there. This is where the winding is coming in. It's so difficult. It's so warm. Oh man. Let's go.
To bring me here, to traffic, and now I've seen.
Okay, there it is. So that's where we are getting. Not that far, perhaps another 40 minutes or so. And we can chill down.
Something better when I reach for. Time brings me to the shore. I know what the waves are for. To bring me here, to try.
So I've made it to the top. It is amazing, such a brilliant view. But if you're scared of heights, I definitely don't recommend it because it's really steep. But man, this is amazing. I just met a couple of Polish guys, and believe it or not, they are coming from Poland to experience the wild nature in Romania. So if you're Romanian, definitely must check out the Carpathian Mountains. If you are from elsewhere, you must book a flight and come to these places. It is really cool. So down there is the waterfall. Where have we been? Oh my god, as I'm looking down, I'm just wobbling. Oops! It is really steep. Oh, I need to sit down. was pretty cool, but now I'm heading back home. I really like this alley in the forest. I could hang up a hammock somewhere and just chill for the rest of the day. It is nice to see that I have over 400 subscribers on YouTube. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy these videos as well. And you're gonna plan some trips to Romania. So thanks again for watching, for stopping by. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow my channel. Thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed so far, for all those 400 people who are following me from all around the world. I am continuing my journey in exploring the Carpathian Mountains within Romania, but also next week I'm going to Slovenia, to the Alps, and afterwards I'm going to Italy again to explore the Alps. So make sure to follow my channel, stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.